Yeah, you know, sometimes even for me, I'm getting tired of staying in this place.
Oh, really?
Every day, same thing. You go around, it's still the same. That's what I decide. Maybe I need to go somewhere first.
就企鹅把那个对，那才好看。
Actually, I went away for a while. 15 years I stayed inside Bangkok.
Okay.
And then I came back. Once I came back, I decided to do those things because we have lots of properties and no one clean them, and so I decided to do it. I decided.
Only yourself doing it?
Yeah, that's only myself. I clean.
Why other local don't?
Not all of us have a level. That's the problem. And you cannot do somebody that they go them. Watching this show, I decided to collect some slippers because you know in Kayangel Island there's so many plastic slippers, bottles coming from ocean. So I decided to collect them and then make something that it looks nice when you buy the slippers like this, when you hang the slippers. So I decided to collect them and bring them here and then make it looks like this. So and I've been planning to do it more and more. So I'm gonna start collecting more slippers and then I do the same things. So if you wanna watch this, you have to come to Kayang and watch this slippers.
What if we don't collect those trash, or what if we don't collect these slippers?
Actually,
what the ocean or environment gonna be?
Yeah, actually I find out the slipper is kind of a little bit long when you reach the island. It's gonna be a little bit long time to be exposed to slippers. So I decide if I collect them and then I make it hanging, and just to try to help the environment, it might be less trash coming, and it looks like it's trash, but when you make it like this, it looks nice. So that's why I decided to do it. And also in my idea and the way I do this, I decided to do a bottle. So now it's a slipper, and then I will do bottle for the same thing, same as a slipper.